Are you drowning in endless web tasks? Feeling the strain of manual data collection, copying and pasting until your eyes are sore? What if there was a smarter way to grab data? No code required, NLP control, data access, global IPNet, bypass verify, all at your fingertips? Get ready to meet BrowserAct AI web scraper that's about to transform how you work. No code, any site. It's time to become the ultimate data master instantly. We get it. Manual data is a huge time sink. You need insights for winning decisions, but traditional tools are complex or slow. This is where BrowserAct shines. No code, no barriers, just pure power. Our AI platform lets you extract web data with astonishing ease. Simply tell your browser, in plain English, what you need. BrowserAct's AI agent understands your intent, turning complex tasks into effortless clicks. We ignite your core drives, peak efficiency, and data-driven decisions. BrowserAct delivers precise, real-time data, bypassing ads, and ensuring uninterrupted execution. Your data is always accessible and current. For deeper insights, BrowserAct pushes limits. Our global residential IP network and automated verification bypass are your secret weapons. Get the data you need effortlessly. BrowserAct's core automation capabilities are your superpowers. Data extraction. Gather competitor info, media, social data for market research. Data monitoring. Track industry content for fresh, actionable insights. Agent enhancement. Train custom AI agents for your specific goals. Our vision is boundless. BrowserAct continuously evolves with features like seamless, recurring extraction, and even the ability to monetize your custom agents. Imagine, with BrowserAct, you eliminate manual errors and get precise data for smarter, faster decisions. Unleash your potential and create massive business value.